Today for my taste testing, I'm going to be trying a Milky Way, Twix, and then a Snickers bar, and I'm going to see how they compare. First, I'm going to try the Twix bar. It has like a crunchy bar in the middle, and then it has some caramel and then chocolate on the outside. And now I'm going to try the Milky Way. Just like the Twix, it has caramel and then chocolate on the outside. This layer of chocolate is a bit thicker, and then it has like, I think it's nougat. And now I'm going to be trying a Snickers. The Snickers bar has a layer of chocolate on the outside, caramel, nougat, I think, and then peanut butter. Not peanut butter, peanuts. The Twix bar is the smallest out of the three of them, and even though it does come with two pieces, it is still smaller and it's a lot thinner, and then the layer of chocolate on the outside is smaller. And then it has a really small amount of caramel, and then it also has like a cracker type inside, whereas the other ones both have caramel and then a type of nougat. So I think that the Milky Way is probably the softest one because it just has nougat and caramel and then the chocolate on the outside, whereas the other two have, the Snickers has peanuts in it, and then the Twix has a cracker. And I think the bar with the highest sugar content would probably be the Milky Way, just because it has a layer of caramel and then the layer of chocolate on it is, I'd say, probably the thickest out of the three. And then the nougat inside of it is also chocolate nougat, so I feel like that would give it a higher sugar content. So my three hypotheses are that the Twix bar has a lower sugar content than the other three bars, the Milky Way has a higher sugar content, and then the Milky Way is also softer than the other three bars. And now I'm just going to check the nutrition label on the packages to see if my hypotheses are right. So the Milky Way has 2 grams of sugar. The Snickers bar has 28 grams of sugar, and the Twix has 25 grams of sugar. So I was right, and the Twix does have the lowest sugar content out of the 3 bars, and the Milky Way has the highest sugar content. And then the Twix bar was the toughest, so I thought that it would have the highest protein, and it has 2 grams of protein. Milky Way has 2 grams of protein, and then the Snickers bar has 4 grams of protein. So I was wrong about that one, and the Snickers bar actually has more protein, which probably is because of the peanuts now thinking about it. And the Milky Way and the Twix were even on the protein content, so I guess it isn't the softest out of all the 3. Well, it was the softest, but it doesn't have the lowest protein content. They have the same protein content, and the Snickers has the highest.